Welcome to the one-click eCom app. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set everything up properly so you can go ahead and start launching and testing products as quickly as possible. And I strongly advise to watch this quick video so you know exactly how to set it up, because if you haven't got your Facebook page, your ad account, your pixel, if they're not all set up correctly within our app, then the app won't work. So I'm just going to cover exactly what you need to do so there's no confusion and you know exactly what you're doing. So firstly, what you want to do when you're in the app is head over to settings here, and this is where you'll connect your Facebook account. So just click sign in with Facebook here, and then it'll take you to this page here, and you can edit your settings and stuff here. And then here is where you select any Facebook pages that you have associated with your Facebook account. So just choose the pages that you want to work with and just click next, and then just click done here, and then click OK. Now you'll be taken to the Facebook settings page where you're going to select your ad account, your page and your pixel that you want to use to launch ads with. Now it's really important that you get this bit set up correctly, otherwise the app will fail to launch products and it'll come back as an error. Because without a pixel you can't launch a campaign properly with the ads and everything. So you go here and select your ad account, and then your Facebook page, and then your pixel as well, and make sure these are all aligned properly. And then you need to click update here, that's really important, and then it'll update everything here. And just make sure and double check that your settings here match what you've just selected here, and you have to click update to ensure that. So you can see new ad account, your ad preview, which is a Facebook page, and new pixel there. This is all just test stuff for the purpose of this video, but obviously make sure your desired ad account, page and pixel are in here, the one that you want to launch and test products with. And it's also worth noting, just make sure just head to your ad account and just make sure that you have got a pixel set up correctly, and that you've got the pixel installed on your preferences here. Just make sure that it's actually within your storage. You can see the pixel ID is there. Just double check that to make sure you're set up correctly. And also just make sure that your page is actually published and it's not on like a private mode or anything like that, because you won't be able to launch a campaign if it is. So once all these things are set up correctly, you've got your ad account, your page and your pixel, then you're ready to select how much you want to spend per day. So in this case I'm just going to do like $3 per day, 3 different ad sets. And now if your currency is in anything other than USD, GBP or euros, just select this here and then just type in the current exchange rate for your currency. So if you're from Thailand for instance, then you'd want to put the Thai baht exchange rate relative to USD, just so when you launch the ad sets it produces the proper ad set amount. And then once you've done that, just click update again down here, and now we're all ready to go. All the settings are set up correctly, so all you need to do now is go into the product library and just select whatever product it is that you want to test. So I'm just going to pick a random one here, but obviously you could just go through and look at all the products in the database, but I'm just going to click a random one here for this video. So you'd select that here, then you just select whatever collection you want it to go in. Just click products, confirm. So now that's in the My Products section. All we need to do now is click create a Facebook ad, and because all our settings are set up correctly, everything should work out fine and we'll be able to launch our first campaign within the next minute or two. Click confirm. Now as you can see, the ad account here has no campaigns in it at the minute, but if we just head over back to our campaign section here within the app, as you can see it says processing there, and once that says success, then we'll head back over here, refresh the screen, and our campaign should be in there. Okay, so now that our campaign says success on the status section here, all we need to do is head back to our ad account, just refresh the screen there, and our campaign will appear, the garden torchlight campaign. If we just click there, just to check out that ad sets are in there, $3 per day, 3 different ad sets, because that's the settings that we chose. And then if we just go into one of these and we can have a look at the ads and everything as well. Just click edit there, just so you can see your thumbnail, your video ad, your ad copy and everything like that, and then it's ready to launch. As you can see, here's our video ad and everything for the product. So the only thing you need to do now in order to launch, if you're happy with everything and everything looks good, or if you want to make any changes, then go ahead and do that. But if you're happy, then just go ahead and turn on the campaign here. Facebook will approve it. It should launch, and then you can start gathering data on the product to see if it works for you in your store. Now, just some things to point out: if your Facebook account is restricted in any way in terms of launching campaigns, so let's say you've previously violated Facebook's policies or anything like that and you've been restricted, then the app probably won't work because you won't be able to launch campaigns. And secondly, as I've mentioned before, it's really important that you have your pixel set up properly and you've got it installed in your Shopify store, so in your preferences section here. And then also make sure your page is on public, it's not private or anything like that. Because if you launch a campaign with the app and your pixel isn't set up properly or anything, then it will launch the campaign, but then when you go into your ad sets and ads, they won't be there because you need the pixel to be able to create the ad sets and the ads. So that's really, really important. So I hope this video is helpful. Definitely come back to this video if you're having trouble launching your campaigns, just so you can review and make sure that your settings are set up correctly. And obviously we do have support as well for if for some reason, even if you followed everything in this video, if you still can't launch your campaign properly, then definitely reach out to support and they'll help you and get you launching your first product with our app.